The fresh kelp that can be purchased in the market is generally yellow-brown, but sometimes you can see emerald green kelp. Is this due to dyeing or is it normal? Today, we explore its secrets under the microscope. Scrape off the skin of a piece of kelp. Observe. Magnify 40 times. The whole shows a light emerald green. It's densely packed with tiny particles. If you zoom in, you can see that this is kelp cell by cell. It looks like a plant. It feels like a plant. It tastes like a plant, too. But it's not actually a plant. It's not an animal either. Generally speaking, we used to call kelp algae. According to the latest classification of biological taxonomy, the brown algae where kelp is located has long been expelled from the plant kingdom. Kelp is classified into the kingdom Pseudomycetes in the eukaryotic domain, also known as the algae kingdom. Belongs to a branch of the eukaryotic domain. Kelp is a deep symbiosis of algae and fungi. Kingdom Pseudomonas is parallel to kingdom Animalia and plant kingdom. So kelp is not a plant. It's also not an animal anymore. Kelp is brown when fished ashore. Kelp is a brown algae. It mainly includes two colors of pigments. One is green chlorophyll. One is a yellow or brown carotenoid. These pigments are mainly stored in chloroplasts, and chlorophyll is also bundled with protein. The dark green kelp we see is fresh kelp blanched in hot water. The reason why fresh kelp turns dark green after being blanched. Now, there are two explanations. One is that chlorophyll is more stable to heat than carotenoids. During the blanching process, some of the carotenoids are destroyed, so the green color comes out, and the other explanation is that the high temperature changes the acid-base environment of the kelp. The formerly yellow-brown phyophyton is recaptured. The metal ions appear green. The most common type of kelp on the market is dried kelp, but it hasn't been processed. The dried kelp will turn yellow-brown after soaking. This dried kelp cannot be turned green by boiling water. In order to meet consumers' awareness of green kelp, manufacturers often need to perform refiltration of kelp. Refiltration of kelp requires the addition of metal ions. Metal ions combine with phyophyton at high temperatures to form a stable structure and appear fresh green. Common ions used for recoloring include zinc ions, calcium ions, etc. They are also essential mineral elements for our human body. So don't worry that eating kelp with negative chlorine will affect your health. There are many ways to make kelp green, but it is not very likely to dye it directly with pigment. It is because serious violations will be investigated for criminal responsibility. On the other hand, problems such as uneven pigment coloring, soaking, and decolorization are easily seen through, and the cost is higher. Not a good choice. Today's journey of exploration of the microscopic world ends here. If you are interested in microvision, you can follow me. Leave a message in the comment area. Let's explore the mysteries of the microscopic world together.